Welcome to all. In this video we will see about automated Sanger sequencing. The classical Sanger and Gilbert methods require manual radioactive labeling and polyacrylamide slab gel analysis. These are all highly unsafe as well as time-taking process. As a development, later Applied Biosystems developed the fluorescent labels for Sanger sequencing. The automated polyacrylamide slab gel analysis is developed and ABI 370 DNA sequencer utilized that as an improvement. Then the fluorescent labels are attached to the either directly attached to the primer, that is called dye primer, or it is attached to the terminator, that is called dye terminator. That means DDNTPs. In automated DNA sequencing platform, each dideoxynucleotide triphosphate is labeled with a different fluorochrome at its 3' end. So, the chain terminated polynucleotides are distinguished as they pass by the detector. A different fluorochrome can be used for each of the 4 DDNTPs. The key advantage is that each reaction need not be carried out in 4 different tubes. A special type of imaging system is needed that involves the use of computer to read out the DNA sequence. The products loaded into the single well of the polyacrylamide gel are by capillary electrophoresis systems and then they run past the fluorescence detector. The detector identifies the fluorescence signals. The sequence can be printed out or entered directly into the storage device. And this automated Sanger sequencer can read up to 96 different sequences in a 2-hour period of time. The key principle is the 4 different wavelengths of fluorescent dyes are added to each DDNTPs. For example, DDATP is added with yellow fluorescent dye and CTP added with orange, T is red and G with cyan color here. All the 4 reactions of the manual Sanger method are pulled together in a single reaction tube. The 4 colors of the fluorescent dyes are detected by different wavelengths are read and corresponding nucleotides are written by automated Sanger sequence reader and its interpreter. So, the detector directly converts the digital data and stored in the computer. Some of the Sanger sequence automated platforms are ABI 370 evolves in 1980s and 90s and ABI 373 is later evolved and ABI Prism 377 is evolved. They have the features of more lands and improved sequencing chemistry so that long nucleotide sequence can be read by this system and shorter runtimes. The runtime is shortened down and ABI 3700 is later advanced version than the ABI 373 and average length of read is 600 to 1100 base pair for each DNA fragment. Here some of the challenges are sometimes no signal is observed by the detector or low signal is observed by the detectors and the compression of signals is a problem and sometimes the elongation itself is stopped and facing some challenges. So these things need more optimization before start the sequencing of this automated Sanger platform. Thank you.